sorry after all your show.
I'm so full.
Sorry.
And I'm so tired.
I'm so sorry.
Lo siento. Bueno.
That's groovy. Lo siento.
That's groovy. Yeah, sing a song.
Air can enter, get out, but some of the air stayed here and moves. Air moves out from here. Look at this. Oh, poor Carly.
Oh my god, this is disgusting. I didn't say it before. I can't show you a whole new world. And you burp. This is horrible. Oh, new
A whole new world.
Hey! Get rid of that. No. That's horrible. She's what?
I don't know.
I cannot do it.
Gina still trying.
No. I should use it again. How do you spell it? Don't tell me this, cause
I know. Don't tell me. I know that.
nope, that's wrong. You're wrong.
Disgusting.
Trying to spell?
Disgusting. Gas.
With G, right?
Yeah.
Hey, don't tell her.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like that?
No.
No? How? You don't know? Gina. Okay, I give up. Whatever. Can you take my name off? No. Let me see. No. Let me see.
Oh, Carly. Now she's gonna complete it.
Are you gonna take breakfast because I'm not?
Hey, yours. I gotta go.
You going? I gotta go also. Okay. Are you going to eat breakfast, Maria? I'm not eating breakfast.
This girl's so
I need a nuts.
nuts. They're
And
nuts.
besides, I don't want you to wake me up burping. Oh my god.